Hey guys, what's up? Alright, we're gonna do a live trade plan today. So it's more or less a developmental for what we have, another look behind how we complete our stuff. So firstly, we can see the drop we have on the open end. We have I've been short for a pretty long while now on the market. So yeah, so the ES charts. You can see a gap down. Remember we were talking about buying 33.50. Um, no big miracle of how we got that. That is the inversion. To that to get the bounce to the close to the lower end of one side. Fall continues. So let's get into labeling out our stuff. You can see our POCs. We remove Friday POC and stuff. I haven't opened the chat, so if you have questions, you can still ask though. Alright, so let me see. I would need that's trade of weight. I don't know if this one's still active. Yep. Alright, so the probably volume from there. You will need our deviation settings. Okay, music in the background. Tomorrow is big celebration on our side. Is um, Carnival. Friday will be the 21st. We need to close off 21st. Go to Nadex data to put that close. Friday we had a pretty good day, so I went and had some drinks by 11:30. Alright. You can see where that bounce come off the 1.5 deviation like the expected move, which is more or less an equal move from Friday. Alright, so let's start listing out our closes. See close there. We get value and volume from here. Value is 47s and 30s, 31s. And the point of control was 40. So we had closed at the point of control more or less. Looking for that there. You can see we're at 91 bounce. Early o'clock. We actually have early trade in posted on the demo account. Got in pretty quickly on that. Alright, so this 15-minute chart. I need to pull deviation levels. We put 1.5. Right. 23. That's the target more or less. 91.5. You can see how far we trading away from 15-minute chart. Oops, not doing that. Right, I'll be showing you a little bit into the factor of what we're doing with what we have on Tesla. Sold some, I will show you what I sold. I sold just before on Friday. I sold in the morning. That was I wonder when I got pick up either Thursday or Friday. Got pick up on that fill. Sold on them at 300 over. I have a plan for that over the next 6 months, 6 to 9 months until after the US election. Probably I'll be holding those. Short and don't really short stuff on the investment portfolio, but seeing some opportunity there to short on it, and I have enough risk management plus the money that I have from on Tesla stocks. So boom boom boom. Right, so what we need to do here, we already closed out one at 7 points. We look at the secondaries to fill out for the overnight trade. So 91.25, we got in at 91. You can see where the close was. Right, so let's see. Right, so that is that. Basically, I have the corresponding drop in oil. Slash CL treated us pretty well on Friday. We had a steady tech execution against the Thursday and Friday. We made some good money during the week on oil and, well, especially on oil. You can see the drop zones again active. I didn't have a trade on this over the weekend, so you can see we heading back down again. Let's go to the chart. Oh, I don't have the on this 1 hour chart. Data don't want to show up. Right now is at 51.66, I think is the quote. 52.01. Tomorrow is party day in my country, so I would probably be the only one actually doing something. Is where we consider it a public holiday. Where is my data? Data pull from that. I'll probably just use this. Yeah. I do have more overhead. Good. You can see where we were looking to sell. Why we were looking to sell. We got a pretty good sell here. Roll it down. Straight down to this 80 level here. And got racked out. Had a pretty good dip on the last push. Looking for a 618 retracement on that. I do have one small position remaining on oil, so I had to check up on that. I do have that part of the portfolio up to the other weight for that 51.40. This will be a kill zone here. You can see where I built the original kill zone to buy. Why I sold back. Might grab some 51.50s if I do get them overnight. And just look for 30 to 40 pips to the upside. I'm a mean reversion trade there. Yep, I might get 50. Alright, let me see what Tesla is doing overnight. No, I do have a quote for overnight as yet. Market, no after hours trading. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so let me see if I have I sold some Anthem. I had to add this to my portfolio. Sold some Anthems at 300 on Friday. Sold 20 Friday morning and got filled on those. Just put this in the portfolio. It's in my portfolio now. Right, so the reason I sold Anthem is political reason I'm looking at what we're looking at and with the structures and with the best medium to high, well, these are high cap stocks to be able to get off made this call on, well, mostly the middle of last week we kind of saw what was going on in Democratic primaries. So this was the call that we came up with. We went through all stock analysis and stuff. This is Medicare for all strategy. Looking for first DPs right here at 280 and trailing shorts on them for 310 more 320 more or less is the position, so we're looking for 1 to 1 on the risk to reward, and then look for extensions on it. There's over a 6 months period we're gonna be bearish on Anthem itself, probably targeting that 250 range to 240 range. You can see Anthem is a very stable over time stock and profitable. Just looking like it's a little bit overworked. You can see the daily chart. Right, get some knockouts. You're looking for some momentum to the downside. If you get momentum like this to the downside over the next 6 months, we should be good. See some volume dropping off, so buying volume especially. So our deb is next to a portfolio. We do have 40 Tesla, holding 40 Tesla, average buying at 383 on it. So it's safe for that. Or else we looking to buy at 51.45, 51.50. Looking to get our sales in right now at this moment, and on the ES we'll play it by ear tomorrow. So the behind the scenes stuff is just adding on them to the portfolio. Don't really like to be short on this. I think we position wouldn't have been filled, so we will just take that profit and close off the secondaries. We don't have anything on right now. Alright, so what we're looking for overnights, if we do cross this 90 level, 3280 is your next level, 3276, 77 is your next level here. But I don't want to be that bearish in the market. The most likely move is back to the upside. Try to fill into the gap. Go to the 1 day, show the high. You see where I draw the bridges on them. Where I had contracts on and in and out. Where I've got my labels in. They just overview data. On simple calculation, how we're looking at that is we're looking at where the support is right there, using that as support. You see that steady tick. So all this will be pre-planned. And this is why we have 80 here for this node right here. This node here will be very valuable to be. We need to see change of control from selling power. Otherwise, this might be true correction we've been looking for a while. We haven't gotten one for quite a bit. Being the last temporary true connection we got was this. Oops, right. Gotta remove some of this data before overload this chart. Alright, so last two items we had for the correction was this correction, which was last year's, well, the year before. This was the August to December correction, and the market pushed up, breakout, push to the other side. So may be able to get the correction here. Correction should bring you back to 3000, 3050 or something like that. So anything about 3000 or 3050 should be 10% correct, our 10% correction. You need a 300% correction. Not expecting too much of it to hold over. Might be struggling. We need to see a little more data for that to happen. I have some options from the 3400 level. Option wise, for long-term options, those are 90-day options. We deal with that as it comes. So for the short terms, we're looking for a 90 to hold tomorrow, and if we look at 76 or 78, would be a secondary rate, actually, in this case. You're looking, if you're looking to get into the sell position, this 50 33 24 area may provide some resistance, and then back to that 30 area. Anything above that 30 area or settlement wouldn't be that, so this would be a first sell zone here at the 22 24 area, and then your secondary sell zone at the 40 area. I may take a clip of the 30 area, may be 30. You see where 30 here is inflective, but we're looking to be aggressive and look for this to be the body of the candle, the daily candle. Use that, use here as your area to clip off. So pretty good trading day over the week, so last week. So let's see how we treat this week and how we go. So okay guys, trade small, trade smart, trade what you see, don't trade what you want to happen in the market, trade what you see alone. Okay guys, that is it for trade plan, a little longer trade plan today, showing you how we actually build some stuff. Alright, bye.